Okay, right now we got it all wired up, and I have temporary power wired just to A phase from line to neutral. It will take 208 volts nominal, and of course that is 120 line to neutral. And right now I have temporary power cord on A phase. With the Variac down, I'm getting like 130 milliamps, and I'm going to dial that up in a minute. I have an extra terminal block on there so the 208 supply can come in. There's a choice between either plugging the electronic power supply in to like a terminal strip on the side of your cabinet so you can run it and work on software without having the main power on, or you'll be able to you can wire it in off the off one leg of the 208. But right now it's plugged in. I got another temporary plug providing power to A phase. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run A phase up. Basically I have a short circuit on here, so it doesn't take much of a number as far as a Variac position to get it up. So what I'll do is I'll dial $sign LA060, and you can see I have 7.9 amps. Okay, now I can dial. Each message has to be with a $sign, so I'll put $sign LA for A phase 040, 40, position 40, and it dropped down to 5.83 amps, $sign LA 000, and it went down to the bottom again, nothing. Okay, and due to the way the Variacs are built, there'll always be like 1/10 of an amp or something coming out of it. Okay, and that's basically how it works. The position commands are all small letters, $sign, small a, small L, small a, and then the number. All 3 digits have to be there. So if you want 1, it has to be 001. The command you send it over the RS-232. And then let's see. I'm going to go ahead and do the same. I'm going to go ahead and test B and C, but basically that's how it works. You can grab on the shunts. The shunts are right here down under the meter where you can pick up your signal off the shunts. To change the metering on the front, normally it shows 2 phases. It shows like A and B. If I want to show B and C, I send it a $sign, capital B, and it will demonstrate B and show B and C on the local screen on the top of the box. And let me go ahead and show you that here. There is the box. Let me turn it upside down. And you can see that you got A and B right now. And let me run it up here a little more. I'll run it up here a little bit. $sign LA050. Okay. And you can see that it reads 6.73 amps there and 6.74 amps there. So I guess